In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Poshmark account. Whether you're new to Poshmark or a seasoned seller needing a quick refresher, this tutorial is designed to guide you smoothly through the login process. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Poshmark website. This is your gateway to a world of fashion where you can buy and sell clothing, accessories, and more from the comfort of your own home. Simply open your preferred internet browser and type in the Poshmark URL to get to their home page. Once you're on the Poshmark home page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the login options. It's strategically placed there to make it easily accessible and convenient for when you want to jump into your account quickly. Now, here's a useful tip. Poshmark offers you the option to log in using existing accounts from other platforms. If you prefer this method and have your accounts linked, you might find it more convenient to use, especially if you're already signed into other platforms on your device. For those sticking with the traditional method, the next step is to click the login button. This will take you directly to the login page where you'll see fields to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your registered email address and Poshmark password handy. When you're ready, go ahead and enter your registered email and password into the provided fields. This is your personal key to accessing the Poshmark marketplace, so ensure accuracy to avoid any hiccups. Double check to make sure everything is correctly spelled and that the email and password correspond to the account you intend to access. After entering your information, click on the login button to proceed. This step takes you further into the Poshmark platform, granting you full access to your account. You'll be able to manage your listings, explore new items, and interact with the Poshmark community. Finally, here's an important reminder: don't forget to confirm the CAPTCHA if prompted. This security feature helps protect your account and ensure that you're securely logging into your account. It's a simple step, and by completing it, you verify that it's a human, like you, attempting to access the account, not a bot. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Poshmark account. Now, you're all set to continue your fashion journey on Poshmark, whether you're on the hunt for great deals or ready to showcase your latest styles. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping or selling.